Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this cold pod, the XL version. So this is my second cold pod, and I must say I'm a huge fan when it comes to cold immersion. And so I do want to thank Cold Pod for actually gifting this to me. So unlike the other one, the main difference was that the other one was a lot smaller. And so what we have here is the XL version. So I tested this with my wife, and you can easily fit 2 people inside of here. Now, assembly is very easy. It comes with 8 of these poles that you see right over here. So if I take this out, it comes with 8 of these white poles to help it stand. Okay, so these poles, there's 8 of them, and it kind of forms like some sort of hexagon/octagon shape. And with it, the water stays in here. You also have an inflatable top, so you actually use the pump to inflate this portion. And then you also have the drain pipe, which is located right over there. Now, what's cool about this cold pod is that it also includes a cover. And so we plan on putting this outside. And so with this cover, you can easily shield the water. And then you also have a sun protector cover, which is going to be useful for when it's out in the sun and such. So with that being said, if you're into ice bath, cold water immersion, definitely check this out. This is a fantastic size. I do think the other size I had before was a bit too small, but overall, I'd say very, very pleased with it.